We got to have service on today because I done sat up here and messed up. Let me explain. I just filmed a totally unnecessary hack. Completely unnecessary. Although the hack is really nice, you really just don't have to do it. The hack is wonderful, but with the hair I used, it's pointless. I just wasted my time, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Feather crochet braids are all over the place, right? Very seamless, lightweight, makes it so there's no knot to be seen in your crochet braid. Right now, only human hair. I've literally been waiting, and I know some of y'all out there probably like, girl, why don't you just do it yourself? I know my calling, trust me. I appreciate all of your encouragement, but you got to understand the path you're supposed to walk. Somebody need to hear that on today. Just because you can do something, does not mean, okay. But I've been waiting on the synthetic version so I can bring it to y'all. But then I was like, hold a minute. There is a product that I absolutely love. In fact, it's probably, dare I say, my favorite crochet braid curly hair synthetic hair option that's on the market right now. It's in my head, so you can see why I would say that. There's a way I may be able to create a feather crochet-ish piece using this hair. So I got to thinking. Okay, y'all don't know this, but I took a marine biology class, right? So we learned about different type of knots, neither here nor there. I could knot a loop to loop and see, you know, with feather crochet, that little thread in the middle, it's very small, which means it's super seamless. This won't be as small, it won't be as thin as that thread in the human hair feather crochet, but I can make one that's small and that will still give you a seamless install when you put it into your hair. I have no cornrows in my hair. This is totally braidless. So I figured out a way to do this. And then you know what's crazy? I'm sitting here watching YouTube. So I'm watching a whole bunch of feather crochet videos to see like, okay, I really needed to get it more because I went through a couple knots. One knot was too bulky, and then I got it to a kind of a happy medium. Synthetic hair, the biggest benefit is going to be that price. It's going to be that price. And then when you get synthetic hair like this, that looks like it could be human hair. This hair is the first cousin of human hair. So I got it as close as I can get it without burning it. Because there is, listen, let me tell y'all something. There is a young lady on YouTube who is always breaking codes. And then I run across a video of hers where she has taken like braid hair and created a feather crochet with a thin, like the really thin middle. She burns it. You know what I'm saying? I was like, girl, yes. I'm going to link her video in the description box. Although what I did is different. I didn't do what she did. But when I saw her video, I thought that was so innovative and so creative that I'm just showing love to her, and I'm gonna put that link in the description box. Her name is Loveth Speaks. I love her channel. She's super innovative. She stay cracking codes, y'all. You probably already know who I'm talking about. If not, make sure you check her out. So that way, if that method works better for you, make sure you check it out because she did that. I was like, I love it. Could we be out here thinking about stuff like, let me see what I can do. I think that is amazing. So big shout out to Love It Speak.
The girls over here cracking colors, okay?
In this case, the product that I'm using, it's like in a little tiny twist at the top. So it's already small. It actually worked out in my favor, and that's why I chose this particular hair. Because I know how to do certain loops, and because that hair, the top of it is very small, I was like, maybe I can create kind of like a feather crochet-ish effect. So when you knot it, you can't see the knot. It's very seamless. Like it just melts into your braid or your hair in my case, because this is braidless. As I was crocheting the hair, I was like, this is so ridiculously unnecessary because this hair is so bomb. When you install it in, you don't see a knot. Which is the whole purpose of the feather crochet. This hair is light, it's fluffy. The top is so small that if you install it like people install feather crochet, look, and then I put my extreme gel. I use that. In the video, you'll see me use basking lather because for some reason, a lot of y'all, when I use the gel and I do like things where my hair is slicked in the front or ponytail, y'all be like, but you can still see your waves. You gotta have it to where it's slick. And I be like, why? I don't know. I just see it differently. I love when I do updo ponytails and my hair is pulled back and you can see my natural wave. I thought that was a flex of having natural hair. I thought that was a flex, y'all. So if you want it to be bone straight right here in the front, you can use that basking lather. It's gonna hold on to your thoughts and dreams and everything in between. You already know what time it is. But if you don't mind seeing your natural hair curl poppage, yeah, just use a little bit of gel. It's going to blend with this hair, y'all. I didn't even have to do the hack. All I had to do was install the pieces on the top of my braidless foundation. I was like, I done all this, but I want to show you because, hey, I really put my effort into this. That's why. I really put my effort into this, and I thought about it. I thought about my little maritime classes when I was out there on that ship on Lake Erie, and they taught us about them knots and got to doing it. And girl, myself said to myself, girl, you know you ain't got to do all that. It's cute, but you ain't got to do all that. So I did it, but for what? I had to sit down and talk to y'all about this. In conclusion, all that I did and all that effort that I sat over there and put over into it to bring y'all something that was effort and fabulous and spectabulous end up being for nothing. And then the other part about it is it end up being for nothing, but it's for a good reason. It's because his hair is so nice. So I really don't know how to feel about it. I feel like I wasted my time, but then I didn't, because I did get to just show y'all a piece of my mind. But also, they didn't tell us to use crochet hooks when I was in the maritime biology course. I added that in. Little ninja rig too. Although the hack is really nice, you really just don't have to do it. Oh my goodness. But in other news, honey, somebody did their face. I put some little self-adhesive 5-minute cluster lashes on too. Huh? Usually I use my own natural eyelashes. But I say, you know, I'm gonna get fancy today. Because in my mind, I was like, I'm about to show them something. But they ain't never had nobody show them something like I'm about to show them. That's how I was coming at it. I'm about to make me something. Y'all watch what I did.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes